What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, we're going to be installing the Kemimoto rear view mirror sent to us by Kemimoto. Shout out to Kemimoto for sponsoring today's video. So in the box, you'll get an Allen key. You want to go ahead and pull that out and adjust it to the size of your roll bar and go ahead and test fit it to your roll bar. Now, we did this a couple of times, so take your time with it, adjust it to the size you need, and then go ahead and put it onto the roll bar and tighten it down. It's just one and two little screws on the back side of the clamp, and tighten those down to the onto your roll bar so where the rear view mirror is nice and tight. Now, we were kind of in a rush in this video, so that's why I'm doing a voiceover over this video. So it was raining that day. It wasn't really good weather to be filming, but we went out right after this install, tested the rearview mirror out onto the trail, and it performed flawlessly. It did not shake whatsoever. There is another mounting screw on the side of it. As you guys can see, that's what Nick is adjusting right now in the video. Once you get it installed onto the roll bar, there's another adjusting screw on the side, like I said, that will allow you to fully clamp this down to where it will not move. Now, this mirror did not shake at all, and let's go ahead and close this video out and get Nick's final thoughts.
Oh yeah, that's pretty solid. I might go a little bit tighter up here. One more. There we go, buddy.
Hell yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, dude, that's sturdy.
That's not gonna go anywhere.
Going down the trail about 10 miles an hour or so. It's solid. I'm more shaky than it is.
Like you heard the man said, he is more shaky than the rear view mirror is. So in these next couple of clips, you're just going to see Nick going over a couple of different obstacles, driving on the trail, some rocks, some mud, and the road, just testing out the rear view mirror. And you can see that it doesn't move at all. Although the camera might be shaky, the rear view mirror is not. If you guys want to get yourself one, visit the link in the description box below. And a huge shout out to Kemimoto for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of the video.